Hey everybody, Leanna Martens here, your best Edmonton realtor. We are in Secord, and this is a new community west of the Anthony Henday that has been built out over the last 10 years or so. So let's go in and look at this beautiful executive home. Today we're looking at homes around $700,000, $750,000. So let's get in there and check this house out. So what did you think of that tour? How great was that? There's some really cool features in this. So this house, again, like I said, was built in 2012. So these types of homes, most of them have basements finished at this point, and some of them will have renovations at this point because they're old enough to have them. The closest school that you will find the Winterburn School, which you'll see right here on this. And a lot of people like living in this community, particularly because of what you can get. So you can get a lot more home for your dollar as opposed to coming into Edmonton for the same price point. But what you sacrifice is drive time and you sacrifice lot size. So let's have a look at what I mean by that. So you can see how close the houses are. So when you get into Edmonton, the houses in terms of the lot size, the house to lot size ratio, is you'll get a 50-foot frontage where these ones will be maybe 30. So you end up with homes much closer together unless it is an infill. So if you like this community tour and you want to see more, you've got to make sure you subscribe to my channel now. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos because I'm constantly producing more for you. And if you are relocating to Edmonton, I'm your best choice. So make sure you text, call, and I will respond. And I am happy to help you and your family relocate with confidence and ease. I'll see you in the next video.